Okay guys, a quick video on if you have a Sega Master System 2 and you don't seem to be getting anything, a picture from it. It's a tricky console because you don't even have a power light or anything to know it has to be tuned in. So the first thing to check is always the power supply. Now I can quickly here just go to show with a different power supply just to prove. Don't mind the tuning, the telly's bad. But as you can see, the problem here is definitely the power supply. Okay, so if you don't have a spare power supply lying around, they're very easy to check with a voltmeter. Voltmeter on DC volts. As you can see here, we're getting this is showing millivolts now, next to nothing. If you compare that to the good power supply I have, around 13 volts is what I'd expect. This is showing 12.92. As you can see, the volts here has gone to V now, not millivolts. So this is 12.9 volts. So that's what you'd be expecting, around 13 from your good power supply. Versus next to nothing from your bad power supply. Just the first thing to check if you can't get your Master System tuned in, because you could spend ages trying to tune it in to discover that actually your console was never getting power and you were never going to succeed. Thanks for watching.